Yeah, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete chat on your Telegram. You want to delete a particular conversation or chat between you and one person. You want to delete everything. You don't want to say the chat instead of you to unblock the person or remove the person. You can just clear all your chat at once. Now let's get started. You open your Telegram. Okay, now so I'm going to search for the person I want to clear the chat. Click on it on the scene onto. Now you want to clear all this chat. Just come to this place. Click on the three line dot in here, and this is it. You want to clear all your history and you just want to delete the chat. Click on delete chat and ensure. Do you want to delete a particular chat for also delete for this person? Just click on delete chat and it's going to delete all messages in the chat for both participants. So if you want to delete everything, just click on delete everything. Let me show my tab to you for you to see what I'm talking about. So now just click on this page, delete everything, and it's going to delete everything both for you and the person. Now if you don't want to delete for it, you can say one you cancel, and you can just click on now delete chat for only you. But if you want to delete the chat for both you and the other person you're chatting with, just click on this and you're off automatically delete the chat for the two of you. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe. Thank you guys. Unlike